Remember, London said head to Target now. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. It's London. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the family. Today's video is all about affordable fragrances for fall, so let's get right into it. And I'll definitely link everything down below, also with the notes on the screen, so you guys could imagine what the scents smell like, because they smell good. So the first fragrance that we have from Finery is Not Another Cherry. So this scent is sweet, but I'm gonna read the notes to you so I don't mislead you. So it says it smells like wild cherry, Turkish rose, almond, amaretto, which is very sweet in my opinion. The description is: indulge in the irresistible bite of an amaretto soaked cherry, seductive and lush. This hypnotic cocktail of glazed cherries and rose is utterly intoxicating. And this is definitely how I would describe it. I just did a whole TikTok video on this scent, and I was saying that it's very charming and alluring and seductive, and the notes is spot on. Like, this definitely is sweet and captivating. It's not doing too much. You don't smell like candy. You smell like a sweet, seductive woman. So if you're into that, you should definitely pick this up. You will not be disappointed. Let's get on to the next scent. So the next scent that we have is Sweet on the Outside. To me, this is definitely a calm and cozy type of scent. It does have like a refreshing scent to it as well. It's not overbearing. I definitely wear this all the time when I'm very feeling laid back and chill, running errands, or just going to snuggle up with my bae. This is definitely something that I gravitate to. It is not super strong, but it does have a nice sweet scent to it, and for everybody that knows me knows that I love a sweet scent. Into the details of this fragrance. This is okay, so it smells like Madagascar vanilla, cacao wood, and smoke vetiver, whatever that is. Those are the scents, those are the notes, and let's get into the description. So it is a fragrance that explores every detail of the richest, most exotic vanilla. Behind a sweet, comforting facade is a dark and seductive complexity. Never judge a book by its cover. I feel like, yes, this is something that you definitely have to like get close to really smell. It is sweet, but it does have that other type of like woody scent to it. Now that I'm reading the notes, that is definitely what you're smelling. Not overbearing, definitely something that's like an everyday scent if this is a scent that you're into. So I definitely recommend for fall. Let's get on to the next one. So we have this scent. This is my favorite scent. This is Midnight Cafe. She is definitely my go-to scent when I want to feel the most confident, the baddest bee in the room. This is the scent that I gravitate to. It's very alluring. It is strong and captivating. Like, I get compliments on this fragrance all the time. It turns heads. And let's get into the details, because I really want to know what the notes are for this, because she is my favorite. So the notes are, well, it says it smells like creme de cafe, jasmine absolute, and patchouli. And I normally do not like fragrances with patchouli in it, but this one is a different type of, she's a different one. So the description says: the anticipation of a night filled with unknown adventures and endless possibilities. A boldly sexy scent blooming with narcotic jasmine wrapped in delicious decadence. They are very spot on with the description of these fragrances. Like, she's mysterious. It's giving dark feminine energy when I wear this scent. Like, she literally channels that dark feminine energy inside of me. Smells amazing. If you are interested in the Finery scents, definitely go to Target or Target.com. They have the body mist and they have the actual perfumes, so you could get the best of both worlds. But when I tell you these scents smell good, I tell you these scents smell good. Just remember London said head to Target now. I definitely had a video last year about fall fragrances, and this definitely made it back up. This is my go-to for the fall. This is the 100 Bond Diona and Vanille Bourbon. I picked this up from TJ Maxx. I just try to look it up online. You can get it from anywhere. Amazon, just any store basically carries this. It is very affordable. It is $6.99. Now, when I purchased this, it was $15, the tag says. So let's get into the scent. Let me smell it first. It smells like tobacco, leather, with the hint of sweet fragrances. But let's get into the notes. And I'll tell you why I love this scent and what I will wear this scent with and the activity that I'll be doing when I wear this. So the main accords are fruity, vanilla, woody, citrus, patchouli, sweet, tropical, fresh, powdery, and white floral. Let's see the description. Okay, so Diona and Vanille Bourbon by 100 Bond is an amber vanilla fragrance for women and men. So it's universal, and I think that's why I like it a lot. Diona and Vanille Bourbon was launched in 2017. Notes. The top notes are lychee, plum, mandarin orange. Middle notes are patchouli, jasmine, sambac, and rose. Base notes are vanilla and cedar. I don't smell the lychee, plum, mandarin orange. I don't know. But you know, fragrances are weird. You think you're smelling something and you're not. But this definitely is a strong scent. So if you're not into strong scents, don't pick this up. I dibble and dabble into strong scents because sometimes when it's too strong, it gives me a headache. But I definitely like to wear this with an all black outfit for fall, the October months, November months. It's definitely something that is captivating, something that it does remind me of like a cologne type of feel. Like a man could definitely get away with wearing it, as it says it's universal. Next scent that is like a universal scent, this is from IND Smoke. No, the brand is IND and the scent is Smoke, and it is for her and for him. I picked this up from Urban Outfitters, and as soon as I smelled it, I was just taken away. Like, I need this. I need this. And normally, I don't wear fragrances like this, but I don't know. New year, new me, you know? It's like very strong and musky, but it definitely has a soft, delicate side, which I feel like represents me. So the notes are jasmine petals, wild lily, blonde leather, black amber, tonka, vanilla, cashmere woods, and warm musk. So I think that's why I like it, because it does have a sweet side with like vanilla. I'm not sure if jasmine petals or wild lily is sweet, but I'm pretty sure it has to be. But this is definitely a fragrance that is like my go-to. If I didn't have perfume on right now, I would have definitely sprayed this. But this is like something you wear with a nice chunky sweater, a nice Sherpa sweater, or whatever those jackets are called. A scarf. It just reminds me of a cozy night in or a cozy night out, like pumpkin picking, just going out in the fields to apple pick, or drinking a nice coffee in front of a fireplace. It gives me that. Just a cozy vibe. Next we have another fragrance. This is the Vanilla Bourbon perfume number 9 from Target. Definitely affordable. This is $19.99 and you get a good amount of perfume for $19.99. I had this for a year and I'm still at the top. Like, it's worth the money. So let's get into the details. Let me smell it first and see what I have to say about it. Well, I inhaled too much. It smells sweet, but it smells different today than it did when I first got it. I'm not sure if it expired or anything, or if I'm tripping. No, I'm starting to smell the woody type of scent. So this is definitely going to be at the top of the list in my collection. So let's get into the details. It is very sweet and woody, and I don't know if it's musky or sandalwood like, so let's see if I'm off. So it is inspired by the richness of pure vanilla beans, which vanilla is my favorite, my all-time favorite. I love to smell edible. Yeah. So the notes are bergamot, jasmine, apple, blossom, Madagascar vanilla bean, and sandalwood. Okay, so it makes sense. It's sweet with some sandalwoody aspect to it. I definitely love this scent. I would wear this in the fall time. Like, doesn't matter the occasion, I wear this in the fall time. Doesn't matter the outfit, I'll definitely pair this with any look, any outfit, any occasion. Pick this up. And it's only $19.99. You spent $20 on way worse things, okay? You won't go wrong with this perfume. Okay, so I was gonna talk about another fragrance, but I feel like it's discontinued. I can't find it on the website. I cannot find it on Google. So there would be no point of mentioning the scent. Okay, so that is all for all the fall scents that I recommend to you guys. Definitely check them out if you do have the chance to. You can order it, see if you like it, return it if you don't like it. You can go into the stores, just find it. I know Target definitely has all the perfumes that I mentioned, but all the rest, you can find them anywhere. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.